Can you imagine an AI that not only thinks like a human but communicates like a genius too? Well, Google has announced the AI revolution with Gemini. And this groundbreaking AI model is about to blow your mind. Move over, Chatgpt and mighty GPT-4, because Gemini is here to challenge the giants with its unmatched understanding and generation of natural language. Now let's explore the capabilities of Google's latest creation, Gemini. So Gemini is destroying Chatgpt-4 as we speak. But why? Well, it is like a super smart computer program made by Google. It's really good at understanding and handling lots of different things like text, images, sounds, and more. It can do all kinds of tasks like answering questions, making summaries, translating languages, and figuring out feelings from the text. Ever heard of tree search? DeepMind's AlphaGo mastered this technique by cleverly learning and remembering many different moves on the board. It's like a big library of strategies that keeps growing, all set to be used to win the game. The special thing about Gemini is that it's not just one program, it's like a whole team of programs working together. They understand each other perfectly to give you amazing results. But why Gemini is an absolute game changer, leaving other large language models like GPT-4 in the dust? First of all, it's super adaptable, handling any data or task effortlessly. No need for specialized models or complicated fine-tuning. Gemini learns from any domain and dataset without limits, fearlessly taking on new challenges. Efficiency is Gemini's middle name. While others hog computational resources, Gemini uses them wisely, handling multiple tasks with finesse. Its distributed training strategy turbocharges its learning process. Now let's talk about parameters, the heart and soul of any language model. More parameters mean more powerful learning and richer outputs, but it requires careful resource management. Gemini has it all figured out. So, what about the size of Gemini? Well, it comes in 4 versions: Gecko, Otter, Bison, and Unicorn. Although they haven't revealed the exact numbers, Unicorn could be even bigger than the gigantic GPT-4, which has 1 trillion parameters. That's 6 times more than GPT 3.5, which had 175 billion parameters. Quite impressive, right? But Gemini is not just big, it's super interactive and creative too. It can do amazing things like generating images and videos from simple text descriptions or sketches. It can even make up stories and poems inspired by pictures or sounds. Who knew AI could be so artistic? Imagine combining text and images to get answers like never before. Want to know the book's author just by looking at its cover? Easy. Curious about a mysterious creature in a photo? Gemini can help, like Sherlock Holmes and Picasso working together. Gemini goes further with multimodal summarization. It brings information to life using different data, like text and audio together. Need a quick summary of an exciting podcast or a mind-blowing news article? Gemini can do it all, creating a concise text or an audio summary that will leave you amazed by its versatility. Now it's time to discover the amazing world of multimodal generation with Gemini, because it breaks down language barriers effortlessly. Need subtitles for a video or movie trailer in another language? Gemini's got your back, using its language and visual skills to provide a fantastic translation. It can combine text and images to create fantastic things. Do you want an image from a description or a sketch? No problem. Need a captivating story inspired by a picture or video? Gemini's got it covered, impressing you with its writing and artistic skills. Gemini has endless possibilities. It can be your personalized assistant, knowing you well and responding in different ways. It can also be a creative tool, helping you come up with new ideas in different forms. But who is behind it, and will they make it? In 2016, Google's DeepMind AI lab introduced AlphaGo. You know AlphaGo, right? It is a super smart AI program that defeated a champion player in the ancient game. And it gets better by learning from what works and what doesn't. And Gemini is just like that. With that said, thank you for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more.